Have you ever wondered how we could manipulate matter at an atomic level to build the future? Let's delve into the world of the infinitely small, a realm where science meets the future, nanotechnology. In the simplest terms, nanotechnology is the science, engineering, and application of materials at the nanoscale, around 1/1,000,000th of a meter. To put that into perspective, it's like comparing the size of a marble to the size of the Earth. Or even more mind-boggling, it's roughly 10,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. Now, why does this matter? Well, nanotechnology is not just about making things small. It's about the unique properties and behaviors materials can exhibit when they are reduced to the nanoscale. For example, opaque substances can become transparent, stable materials can turn into combustible ones, and insoluble materials might dissolve. In short, at the nanoscale, the rules of the macro world don't apply. This opens up an array of possibilities. Nanotechnology is influencing various industries, from medicine to computing, and from energy to environmental science. It's being used to create more efficient solar panels, to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, to develop quantum computers, and even to clean up oil spills. But it's not just about what we can do today. The promise of nanotechnology lies in its potential. Imagine batteries that charge in seconds or computers that are as powerful as the human brain. Nanotechnology could also help us understand and manipulate our own biological systems at the molecular level, opening up new frontiers in medicine and biology. So, nanotechnology isn't just science fiction, it's happening right now and has the potential to transform our world. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this fascinating world of the infinitely small in the upcoming scenes. But what exactly is nanotechnology and how does it work? Let's delve into the world of the incredibly small, the nano world. Nanotechnology, in its simplest terms, is the science of manipulating matter on a molecular and atomic scale. We're talking about things that are so small, they're measured in nanometers. To put it into perspective, a single human hair is approximately 80,000 nanometers wide. So when we talk about nanotechnology, we're working with items that are thousands of times smaller than that. Imagine you're an architect, and your building blocks are not bricks or steel beams, but individual atoms and molecules. That's the essence of nanotechnology. It's like playing with Lego blocks, but on an atomic level. What makes nanotechnology so fascinating is its potential. By manipulating atoms and molecules, we can create new materials and devices with a wide range of applications. Think of it as the ultimate form of custom crafting. You're not just assembling parts, you're designing them from the ground up. For instance, scientists can manipulate the atoms in a piece of metal to make it lighter, stronger, or more resistant to wear and tear. Or they can create nanoparticles that are specifically designed to target cancer cells, leaving the healthy cells untouched. Nanotechnology is a revolutionary field that is changing the way we see, understand, and interact with the world. It's not just about making things smaller, but also about making them better, more efficient, and more sustainable. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. We're living in an age where we can manipulate the fundamental building blocks of the universe to our advantage. We're at the dawn of a new era, where the line between the possible and the impossible is constantly being redrawn. Nanotechnology is not just a tool, it's a new way of thinking, a new way of approaching problems, and a new way of understanding the world around us. Just imagine a technology that allows us to build things one atom at a time. The possibilities are infinite. Now that we've grasped what nanotechnology is, how does it manifest in our daily lives? First, let's dive into the medical realm. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare with precision-targeted drug delivery systems. Imagine a fleet of microscopic submarines coursing through your bloodstream, each one designed to deliver healing medicine directly to sick cells, minimizing side effects and maximizing recovery. The potential for personalized medicine is enormous. In the electronics industry, nanotechnology is making waves too. From enhancing the storage capacity of our devices to the introduction of flexible, ultra-thin screens, it's hard to imagine a world without the influence of nanotech. It's the silent partner behind the scenes, ensuring your smartphone gets slimmer, yet more powerful, year after year. Over in the energy sector, nanotechnology is helping to make renewable sources more efficient and practical. Nanomaterials have been developed that increase the efficiency of solar panels, allowing them to absorb more sunlight and convert it into electricity. Similarly, fuel cells and batteries are receiving a boost from nanotech, offering higher energy storage and faster charging times. Lastly, in textiles, nanotechnology is enhancing both functionality and fashion. Nanofibers are being used to create fabrics that resist stains, repel water, and even kill bacteria. Your next favorite shirt might not just look good, but it could also keep you cleaner and fresher for longer. But these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Nanotechnology is creeping into every corner of our lives, from the food we eat to the cars we drive, and even the air we breathe. Its influence is subtle yet profound, often enhancing products and services without us even realizing it. And while we're still scratching the surface of what's possible, the benefits we're already seeing are significant. It's a testament to human ingenuity, and a reminder of how the infinitely small can have an immeasurably large impact. As you can see, nanotechnology is not just about the future, it's reshaping our present. While nanotechnology holds vast potential, it's not without its challenges and concerns. Just like any scientific advancement, nanotechnology also comes with its own set of potential risks and ethical considerations. As we delve into the infinitely small, we must be mindful of the infinitely large implications. The misuse of this technology could lead to harmful consequences, both foreseen and unforeseen. Picture this: nanobots, tiny robots at the nanoscale, designed to repair damaged cells in the body. A marvel, isn't it? But what if these nanobots were to malfunction or be used with malicious intent? The same technology that could save lives could also potentially harm or even destroy them. And that's just one example. From environmental impacts to questions about surveillance and privacy, the concerns are broad and complex. Also, there's the matter of who controls this technology. In the wrong hands, the misuse of nanotechnology could be catastrophic. That's why regulations and responsible use are paramount. We must ensure that the benefits of nanotechnology are accessible to all while preventing its misuse. Ethical considerations also come into play. For instance, if we can enhance human abilities with nanotechnology, should we? And if so, who gets to decide what enhancements are acceptable? These are not just scientific questions, but societal ones that require careful thought and discussion. Even the process of manufacturing at the nanoscale presents its own risks. The manipulation of matter at this level can produce new materials with unknown properties. Without proper safeguards, these could potentially harm people or the environment. But let's not forget, every invention, every scientific breakthrough has had its share of risks and ethical considerations. From the discovery of fire to the development of nuclear energy, each advancement has required us to adapt, to learn, and to manage the potential dangers. Nanotechnology is no different. It's clear that as we tread this new path, we need to balance our excitement for what's possible with a thoughtful approach to managing risks. With careful regulation, ethical deliberation, and responsible use, we can navigate the challenges of nanotechnology and unlock its vast potential for the betterment of humanity. So where is all this leading us? What could the future hold for nanotechnology? The future of nanotechnology stretches out before us like an uncharted sea, teeming with potential and ripe for exploration. It's a world where the smallest of particles can have the most profound impacts, and where our understanding of the universe could be completely rewritten. Preeminent in this forward march are areas of research like nanomedicine, where scientists are developing targeted drug delivery systems that could revolutionize treatments for diseases like cancer. Imagine for a moment a world where chemotherapy doesn't ravage the entire body, but instead, tiny nanoparticles carry the drugs straight to the malignant cells, leaving healthy ones unharmed. Or consider the field of nanoelectronics. Here, researchers are working on creating ultra-small transistors that could lead to computers that are hundreds of times more powerful than what we have today. These future devices could be as thin as a piece of paper and flexible enough to roll up into a tube. But it's not just about what's small. Nanotechnology could have a huge impact on large-scale industries as well. In energy production, for instance, nanotechnology could lead to more efficient solar panels or batteries that store significantly more power. In environmental conservation, nanofilters could help clean polluted water, making it safe for consumption and use. Even our daily lives could be transformed. Clothes could be made stain-resistant or even self-cleaning. Glass could be manufactured to be self-repairing or incredibly resistant to scratches. The possibilities are as numerous as they are exciting. But like any great journey, the path forward is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, safety concerns, and regulatory issues will all need to be addressed as we navigate this new frontier. Yet, the potential benefits are too great to ignore. In the realm of the infinitesimally small, the future looks incredibly vast. Nanotechnology is not just shaping our world, it's redefining it.